Good morning, people. Here we have a client who's lost the keys to their cylinder. On opening, we found that it is the unusual and lesser than half cylinder. Often you can only find this out once you've got the door open. Here you can see the size differences. As you can see, it looks pretty standard from the outside, like a normal cylinder, profile Euro lock. But as you can see, there is no hole on the opposite side like normal locks. See that side. And here we have the finished product. Unfortunately, the original cover plates were missing. We offered to get new ones for the client, but they've said no thank you. The door is functioning as is. And there we are.